Hello, and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to make the Divi Gallery Module swipeable for touchscreen users. The Divi Gallery Module includes a slider mode, which allows you to display images in a slider with arrows to scroll left and right. While this works well, the experience can be improved significantly on mobile and touchscreen devices by enabling swipe gestures for navigation. Currently, Divi doesn't offer a built-in option to add swipe functionality to the Gallery module. However, with the help of the Enable Touchscreen Swiping option included in the Divi Booster and Divi Gallery Booster plugins, you can make the slider swipeable quickly and easily. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to enhance your Gallery module with this simple but highly effective feature. Let's get started. To make your Divi Gallery module swipeable, you can use the Divi Booster plugin. This plugin adds a variety of new features to the Divi Gallery module, including the ability to enable swipe gestures for the slider layout. Alternatively, you can use the Divi Gallery Booster plugin, which is specifically designed to enhance the Gallery module and includes this same swipeable slider option. Both plugins are great choices depending on your needs. Once you've chosen the plugin you'd like to use, setting it up is straightforward. Let's move on to the process of getting it up and running. To enhance your Gallery module with swipe functionality, you'll need either the Divi Booster or Divi Gallery Booster plugin. Let me quickly explain the difference. The Divi Booster plugin is a comprehensive tool that adds hundreds of new features to your Divi theme, including the swipeable slider feature we need here. If you're looking for more advanced controls and enhancements across Divi, this is a great option. If you're just looking to improve the Gallery module specifically, the Divi Gallery Booster plugin might be right for you. It includes all the key features to supercharge the Divi Gallery module without the additional functionalities of Divi Booster. When you've decided which one fits your needs, purchase it and download the plugin zip file provided. This will be either the divibooster.zip or divigallerybooster.zip file. Save it to your computer so it's ready to install. If you've already purchased one of these plugins, you can access and download the zip file directly from your Divi Booster account. Once you have your plugin file, you're ready to move ahead to the installation process. So let's get started with that next. To install the Divi Booster or Divi Gallery Booster plugin, start by heading to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New Plugin. From there, select Upload Plugin. Next, click the Choose File button. Locate the plugin zip file you downloaded earlier. This will be either the Divi Booster or Divi Gallery Booster zip file, and select it. Then, click Install Now to upload the plugin to your site. Once the installation is complete, activate the plugin by clicking the Activate button. This will enable the new features in your Divi theme, including the ability to make your gallery slider swipeable. With your plugin now activated, you're ready to move on to configuring its options. To edit your page and apply the changes, start by navigating to the page where you'd like to enable the swipe functionality. Once you're on the page, look for the WordPress admin bar at the top of your screen. In this bar, you'll see a button labeled Enable Visual Builder. Click on this button and it will open the page in the Divi Visual Builder, giving you full access to edit and customize the layout. With the Visual Builder now enabled, you'll be ready to move on to updating your Gallery module. The next step is to access the settings for your Gallery module. Start by locating the Gallery module you want to modify within your layout. If you haven't already added a Gallery module, go ahead and include one now. Once you've found the module, hover over it to reveal the module buttons. If your Divi Builder is set to click mode, you might need to click on the module instead of hovering. Look for the gear icon, which represents the settings, and click on it to open the module's settings. With the settings open, you're ready to customize the module to enable the swipe function. Let's move on to that next. Once you've opened your Gallery module's settings, head over to the Design tab. From there, navigate to the Layout Settings section. First, make sure the gallery layout is set to slider. This is important because the swipe feature is only compatible with the slider layout of the gallery module. Once you've set the layout to slider, you'll notice a new option labeled Enable Touchscreen Swiping. This feature is added by the plugin you installed earlier. To activate it, simply set this option to Yes. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the swipe feature for your gallery slider. Next, let's save these settings and apply them to your page. To save the changes you've made to the gallery module, simply click the green checkmark button located at the bottom of the module settings. This will ensure all your adjustments are applied. With the settings saved, you're one step closer to having your swipe-enabled gallery ready to go. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, it's time to save your entire page. To do this, open the Page Settings toolbar by clicking the round purple 3 dots button at the bottom of the Visual Builder area. After the toolbar is visible, look for the Save button and click on it. This will save all of your updates and ensure your changes are applied to the page. That's it. Your page is now saved and you're all set to review it. Now that everything is set up, it's time to test the swiping functionality. Open your page on a touchscreen device, such as a mobile phone or tablet. You should now be able to browse through the gallery slides by simply swiping left or right. This intuitive gesture makes navigating your gallery smooth and user-friendly for anyone visiting your site on a touchscreen device. Give it a try and see how seamlessly the swipe feature enhances your gallery. And that's it. You've successfully added a simple yet effective swipe functionality to your Divi Gallery module. This small change makes a big difference for mobile users, replacing the need to tap on arrows or dots with an easy and intuitive swipe gesture. It's a great way to enhance the user experience and take your mobile design up a notch. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.